Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 13th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame. So every single day when I make a video for gold, I say, yes, we definitely should continue to look for longs in an uptrend. This is at least a third degree wave 3 right here, which is why it's such a strong trend. Now, yes, we are sitting at a Fibonacci extension level right now, but to me, it almost seems more likely that the 261.8, which is right around the 4,310 area, may actually be a more likely target to end this wave 3. We don't have engulfing down. We don't have a breaker structure down. We don't have a lower high. On the daily time frame, there's no reason whatsoever to say that this wave 3 is over yet. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, on one of my most recent videos, I was said there's a good chance that this is just going to keep on going up, and that's exactly what happened. Now, at least we have a new structure level. Our new structure is right here. So if price does, turn down really sharply and take that out, then yeah, that would turn me bearish. But that is literally the only thing. Seeing a very impulsive move down and seeing a very strong break of structure is the only thing that would turn me bearish. Otherwise, even if it does start to move to the downside, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement out there, and I would assume anything I see to the downside is likely just a pullback within an uptrend. And if you had been doing that over the last month, assuming that anything you see to the downside is just a pullback within an uptrend, then you most likely have made a lot of money trading gold to the long side. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.